Hi, this is our weekly update for Unibuddy for the UGBA C5 class. This is the week of April 5th. And then what we're going to talk about this week is what the study buddy system we tried to test out from our application slash website. So what we wanted to know was that if anybody was actually interested in meeting people on campus who are in the same class to work together to prepare for a test or quiz or just learn the basic concepts for a class. So the first way we did that was that we went on Facebook to the Berkeley Class of 2020 page, and then we posted that we would be having a group study session, sort of similar to the one that the SLC does, but more relevant to the class. People like brought their notes, and then they had like mock tests from semesters before that were given to us by upperclassmen. And what we noticed was that most of the people that showed up were our friends, about 7 out of 10, because we had like about 11 to 12 people show up. And then 2 to 3 people were like people that we haven't seen before. So the application did show potential for a relevancy to our website slash app. So we want to test that further next week because this week not a lot of people were on campus due to spring break. So they weren't really interested in preparing for the upcoming midterm. But we're going to try to do this again for the chem midterm that's coming up next Tuesday as well. And we want to see if anybody's interested in doing that, particularly people we don't know yet, because that would be pretty cool to meet people that have different ideas, who have more experience in the class, or things like that on campus.
Yeah. Also, last week we made edits to our landing page, and like this week we got a form submitted to us, and I realized there was a problem with the form. Like one of the questions was kind of vague, so the response was slightly vague too. So it wasn't specific enough. Like it said that it wanted an econ textbook, but it didn't say like for what price or like which econ class. So this week we're thinking of editing like the question to trigger a more specific response. So like I split the question up to 2 more questions, like which econ class, which textbook, and what are the price, like what's the price range you're willing to pay for it. So yeah, and this week we hope to see what kind of response it would get.
Yeah. And I hope you have a great week. Bye.